Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix error 0xC1900101 in Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. Usually this error is associated with Windows upgrade, and when you upgrade Windows to a new build or version, this error usually occurs, and during this error you see this kind of window: we could not install Windows 11. There is a title along with that error code, and this error code is often accompanied with a sub error code. Right now you can see that it is 0x20017, and this kind of similar error codes are associated with this main error code, and usually this error appears in the save OS phase, migrate data phase, or first boot phase. And basically the save OS phase is the phase where computer boots into a temporary minimal operating system to apply updates, but it usually fails to do that due to driver conflicts or BIOS issues or some storage issues. So in this guide we have different solutions to fix this problem. So here is our first solution. In this case, I will suggest you to right click on the start button and select device manager. Once the device manager window opens, you have to first expand display adapters. Make sure there is no driver or device listed inside display adapter which have an exclamation mark or the error symbol. If there is some exclamation mark, make sure you update the driver or install it. Similarly, do this for the network adapters entry, and here you need to make sure that none of the drivers are having exclamation mark. Similarly, expand storage controllers and make sure that no device in this category have any exclamation mark. Apart from this, you may have the other devices category where you can see that I have some exclamation mark on devices. Either I can remove these devices or I can update these devices so that exclamation mark is removed and these devices start working properly. I can simply do right click on these devices and select update driver. So in this way, we have to ensure that none of the devices listed in the device manager have exclamation mark and all the devices are working properly. This is really important to fix this error, because if any of the devices not working properly, that can conflict the upgrade. Then we have solution number 2. In this case, simply right click on the start button and select settings. When the settings app opens, go to app, then installed apps, and under the list of installed apps, make sure you remove the third-party antivirus or security software, because these can often install kernel level drivers that may interfere with the upgrade process. Up next, we have solution number 3. In this case, I suggest you to remove the external devices during the upgrade. So if you have external devices such as USB devices, external drives, printers and scanners, external monitors, cameras, docks, all of these devices which are external, try to remove them. So here you can see that I have external drive connected to this device. You can simply disconnect these external drives by clicking on the upward arrow icon and then select the safely remove device icon. Right click on it and select eject, and you can see that it's now safe to remove the hardware. I can simply unplug the external drive. Similarly, you can disconnect the other devices. Then we have solution number 4. In this case, right click on the start button and select settings. Once the settings app opens, go to system, then storage, and here you need to make sure that at least 20 GB of the storage is free in order to perform the upgrade. If there are low storage, you may get this error during the upgrade and the upgrade fails, and you can use the storage sense to automatically free up the space. Additionally, you can use the cleanup recommendations on this page and remove the unwanted files so that you can make some room for the upgrade. Also, you can do a right click on the start button and select disk management. So in the disk management, you can check the system reserve partition. If it is below 500 MB, you can directly right click on it and select extend volume. In case if you are not able to locate the system reserve partition, just like me in this video, I have already shared a detailed video fix to free up space in system reserve partition for upgrade. You can check out that video on this card. Then we have last solution for this video guide, and that is solution number 5. In this case, I suggest you to update the BIOS drivers. So simply go to your device manufacturer's website and locate the BIOS update or drivers for your device model. Here I am showing you the example of an ASUS device. You can see that I have here BIOS firmware update drivers located here. I can simply install the BIOS update, and once the update is installed, the BIOS is using the latest version, then this kind of error can be easily resolved. So these are the solutions you can apply to fix this error. In case if you are still facing the issue, do let me know your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and I'll see you in the next video.